Or we've got Jamila Mianja of Uganda. Are you posing? She is posing. Jamila is not a fashion model. That's not. She started a door-to-door laundry company to employ more youth and teach them entrepreneurial skills, and she hopes to take what she learned during her time at Dartmouth University to meet her goal of getting 1,000 youth to work in or run their own business. So we're proud to be your partner today. So that's just a sampling of the incredible projects that are being done by fellows all across Africa. So this program is going to help all of you make a real difference back home. But Fatou Baendour from Senegal, where's Fatou? So Fatou wrote me a letter, and she said, if the real value of YALI is for young people to learn from others, then maybe we should start sending some young Americans to Africa also. You know, and she made the point not just to help poor communities as they usually do, but to learn from other societies with humility, and which I thought is absolutely true. So I have good news, Fatou. From now on, YALI will give Americans an opportunity next summer. Up to 80 young American leaders will join. Up to 80 young American leaders will join YALI and go to Africa to learn from you and your countries. And you guys are going to have to look after them when they're there. Like, you know, show them good places, but not have too much fun. They need to be doing some work while they're there. So these connections and partnerships and friendships, they forge an understanding that brings our peoples closer together. After 6 weeks here, some of you are now officially Texas Longhorns or Notre Dame Fighting Irish. Oh, look at you've shared African cooking with your American friends, but you've also had a burger and a hot dog at 4th of July celebrations. I'm told many of you went bowling for the first time. I hear it didn't go that well. There were a few strikes. By the way, there was at least one marriage that came out of last year's class. So who knows what might have happened here. So as your time in America comes to a close, I want you to remember this is really just the beginning. We just started this. And the truth is that our greatest challenges, whether it's inclusive development or confronting terrorism, dealing with conflict, climate change, increasing women's rights, children's rights, these are bigger than any one nation or even one continent. Our hope is that 10, 15, 20 years from now, when you've all gone on to be ministers in government or leaders in business or pioneers of social change, that you'll still be connecting with each other, that you'll still be learning from each other, and that together you'll be reaching back and helping the next generation. That you'll not only be making a difference in your own countries, but you'll be the foundation of a new generation of global leadership. A generation that's going to be working together across borders to make the world safer and more prosperous and more peaceful and more just. That's my hope for you. We've brought you here because we benefit from your leadership, but we're counting on you to work together to make sure that you're also reaching back to those who are going to be coming behind you. Couldn't be prouder of you. So with that, let me take some questions. All right? Thank you very much.